Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the next day. But before that, just want to let you guys know that I have already set up a Patreon channel, which I'll be pinning the link in the section in the comment section. So check it out, right? So I'm going to be sharing with you, trade for the day and also my trade for the week. And I'm also going to be sharing what and is probably I will be sharing you high probability trade. So subscribe to it, and if you are not getting any value from it, you can actually just cancel the subscription, because I can assure you that you will get a lot of benefits, and I'm going to share you some my trading ideas on it when you subscribe. And if not, you are not getting any, then you can actually cancel the subscription. So now let's take with our gold. Clearly we can see that this trend on our gold is still an uptrend move. Definitely, price is also trading above our 10 period simple moving average. So as long as price is still trading above it, then all what we would want to do is go ahead and look for a trade to go ahead and take the buy movement. So basically, price has been tapping this moving average, right? So the next day, I believe this gold will go bullish. Now, this is one of the reasons why I'm saying that. Go to your 4-hour time frame. Now, clearly, you can clearly see that this is clearly an uptrend move. I said it yesterday, something like, all eyes. No, let me take out this. Something like this. We can see that this was an ice, then a pullback was made, right? A new ice was made on the forward time frame that took out the previous ice, and then a pullback happened there. If you should take a look at this, a new impulse move was made that took out the previous ice, then a pullback has been made. Now see this movement, guys. A new ice have been made that take out this previous ice, and this is a pullback. So now I will be finding a rejection at this level, which is a level of 1919, that is 1919. So what we will be expecting for the next day on gold, for which is for the 27th, a new ice needs to play out. So we need to take out this ice on this gold. That is to tell you that gold will go bullish for the next day. So by the way, if you find this video helpful, subscribe. And if you want to learn more and get more updates on my trade, check out my Patreon channel in the comment section.